part, or in this video, you will learn how to identify the horizontal line of sight, the angle of elevation, and angle of depression of a given illustration, so including the line of sight here. Okay. To identify, so first you have to identify the horizontal line of sight, and you have to identify it whether the given object is above or below the horizontal line. So if the object is above the horizontal line of sight, so therefore it uses angle of elevation, while when the object is below the horizontal line, so then it uses angle of depression. Okay. So let's have the first example. We're going to identify the segment that represent the line of sight, and we're going to identify if the angles or the given angles, if it is angle of elevation or angle of depression. Okay, so let us observe the given figure. Okay, so assuming that the observer is here, nandito siya sa taas ng building. So, anong object na in-observe niya? Itong car. So, ano po from the figure yung horizontal line of sight? Okay, very good. The horizontal line of sight is this ray AC. Okay, so ray AC. Next, ang line of sight. Again, pag sinabi nating line of sight, ito yung imaginary line na nagko-connect sa eye ng observer papunta doon sa object that is being observed. Kaya pa nang binanggit ko kanina, you assume na yung observer is here above the building. The object that is being observed is this blue car. So therefore, ang line of sight niya po ay itong ray AR naman. Okay. Ngayon, since here is the horizontal line of sight, where is the object being observed? It's below. So therefore, malinaw that there is no angle of elevation that is being illustrated on this figure. Instead, we have here this angle of depression. And what is the name of that angle formed? Ito siya. Ano pong pangalan? So that will be angle CAR, or it can be named as angle RAC. So, ganun po kung paano tayo mag-a-identify ng horizontal line of sight, whether angle of elevation or angle of depression is present from the given figure. Okay, next, proceed tayo sa susunod na example. So, it's the same thing. We're going to identify the horizontal line of sight. So, as you can see, there is a boy holding his kite. So, nasan po ba ang kite? Okay, it's above the observer. So, let us identify the horizontal line of sight. Okay, so horizontal. So, this is the observer, and this one is the horizontal line of sight. So, do you have here your ray, UN, okay, followed by the line of sight. So, since here is the observer, the object being observed is this kite, so it's above the observer. So, therefore, ito po yung kanyang line of sight. So, si ray, UF. Okay, so again, paulit-ulit po ako, since the object being observed is above the horizontal line of sight or above the observer, so ang na-form po natin dyan is the angle of elevation. So let us just simply name the angle form. So we can name this as angle FUN or angle NUF. Okay, so there is no angle of depression that is being illustrated on the given figure. Okay, nasusundan po ba? Okay, very good. Now, let's have this last figure. Okay, so it's the same thing. Identify lang po tayo. So, identify natin the horizontal line of sight. So, isa lang po yan. And that is ray AV. Now, line of sight. So, since there are two possible line of sight from the given figure, so we have to name these two line of sight. So, first we have here your ray AS and your ray AE. Okay? Next, there is also angle of elevation form. Since this is, if you are to consider this point S, or there is an object observed here by the observer, so ito po yung angle na na-form. So we can name this as angle SAV or VAS. So this is the angle of elevation. While there is also an angle of depression illustrated on the given figure. So papangalanan natin siya as angle VAE or EAV. Okay, very good po. So that is on how we identify the line, a ray, or a segment that represents the line of sight, the angle of elevation po ba yung ipinapakita, or the angle of depression, or sometimes, that depends on the figure kung parehong present si angle of elevation and depression.